Are the following functions one-to-one or not? Great question. So the best way to do this is to sketch them without any question, and then to take the time to understand what if the horizontal line test is satisfied. So let's do it, right? So first guy, again, if I'm using the same notation as well, this is my A and this is my B. Sorry, and they don't have any common factors. Great, so it's in exactly the right format. B is odd now. That means the domain is everything. And 7 is odd also. And also 7 over 3 is greater than 0, or greater than 1. So 7 over 3, let me make this smaller. So 7 over 3 is bigger than 1. And they're both odd. So that means when I graph this, it's going to look, because it's bigger than 1, on this side it's going to look kind of like a parabola type shape. But then the 7 being odd on top and the 3 being odd on bottom mean that this is an odd function. So it's going to be like this. That's the basic shape. And in this case, what do I see? Well, the horizontal line test is definitely satisfied, right? Because at worst, you cross once. So basically, the horizontal line test implies, in this case, we are one-to-one. Nice. So let's do another example. Well, let's do B. So I think immediately this is not going to be one-to-one. I can tell you why. It's because of the 2 on top. The 2 on top makes me think it's going to be an even function. And that's going to mess things up because the horizontal line test is most definitely going to fail. So let's graph it carefully and just see what happens. So let's just go through the important points. Minus 2 over 3 is negative. 3 is odd on the bottom. And minus 2 is even. Okay, 2 is even. So what does that mean the basic shape is? Well, it's going to be standard stuff on the positive side, this guy. On the negative side, it does make sense, right? Because you can take things like cube roots of anything. So there is a negative part, but then the square on top means it's an even function, so it's going to look like this. Dot, dot, dot. So no, it's not going to be one-to-one, right? If I give you any horizontal line up here, and all it takes is one horizontal line to mess stuff up, remember? And I've messed up, right? So here the horizontal line test implies not one-to-one. I'd really try to internalize the basic shapes of these graphs because they're so useful, right? They tell you so much about the graph, about the functions.